Running a major operation like Precinct 2 has about 1,300,000 residents in it and covers a very significant part of the geography of Harris County, Texas. It is absolutely archaic to try to run this operation in a paper-driven manner.
When I came to Precinct 2, we were using an outdated system called the Red Books. The Red Books are the journals here that would track all the work performed in our crews.
We would put in our task for that particular day. So that would include the date, the roll log, along with the field personnel that would be within the task, doing the job, and also the equipment that we would be using.
I was always open to the idea of how to modernize our approaches. So I simply charged my director, Juan Hernandez, to think about ways to take us to the next level. Not only did he take us to the next level, but whatever is second is a far distant second to where we're at today.
To reduce potential flooding, Commissioner Adrian Garcia challenged us to come up with a drainage maintenance plan. As part of that, we had staff go out and evaluate every street with drainage systems. And with that, we developed the worst first strategy, where over these last 4 or 5 years, we've been addressing the worst first. We were hitting areas that were never maintained for the last 20 years.
Precinct 2 is the downstream side of not only Harris County, but 4 other counties. So making sure that we have a well-functioning drainage system is critical to ensuring that my residents do not flood repeatedly as they have done in the past. We went from an average of about 300,000 linear feet a year of drainage maintenance to 1 million in 2020 during the pandemic.
Cartograph had a huge impact. We were able to track all the work activities that we perform. We're able to track the amount of footage, and that has made us more efficient and more streamlined. In doing this plan, we were able to achieve 5 million linear feet.
Accomplishing the work without Cartograph, it would be tough. It gives more of that time management. If you're out in the field and you're able to have your tablet with you, any new requests come in, they can be addressed. If I get any type of call of, do you have a crew working at this particular location, I could just go on Cartograph, and Cartograph would tell me they was at this particular location from this time to this time or whatnot, or if they weren't even at that location.
I feel very confident in the precinct's ability to respond to our needs. They have yet to have any kind of gaps in our communication. Especially in the last few years, we've seen a big improvement. We feel like a big team with Precinct 2. We don't feel like we're separate from them. It's helped us be able to even address that with our citizens here in the community, that they have this tool. Utilizing the software has helped tremendously with the communication with Precinct. I can't say enough how easy it is to use, but also the feedback. Via email or phone, someone is always responding pretty quickly within a day or two.
And so for me, I wanted to make sure that my constituents were well served and that they could see, feel, and hear their government at work, putting their hard-earned tax dollars to good, productive daily work. And so the combination of smart people, dedicated professionals, alongside good technology and technology that helps to bring systems and approaches together is the reason why I am so proud of the work that we've been able to accomplish.